بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful.
Travel. It's a word that sparks excitement and curiosity. Just the word conjures up images of exotic destinations, new cultures, and unforgettable experiences. From bustling city streets to serene natural landscapes, the possibilities are endless. But what about the cost? It's a common misconception that travel is only for the wealthy. In reality, with careful planning and a bit of creativity, anyone can explore the world on a budget. Imagine wandering through ancient ruins in Greece, feeling the history beneath your feet, sampling street food in Thailand, savoring the flavors of a new culture, or hiking to a breathtaking vista in the Alps, where the air is crisp and the views are unparalleled, all while sticking to a budget that won't break the bank. Affordable accommodations, local transportation, and street food can make your travel dreams a reality. The beauty of budget travel is that it allows you to connect with a destination more authentically. Engaging with locals and participating in cultural activities enriches your experience. So, pack your bags, open your mind, and get ready to embrace the adventure. Every journey starts with a single step. The world is vast and full of wonder, and it's waiting to be explored. From hidden gems to iconic landmarks, adventure is out there for those who seek it. Let's face it, airfare can be one of the biggest expenses of any trip. Whether you're planning a quick weekend getaway or a long international adventure, those flight costs can add up quickly. But fear not, savvy travelers, there are plenty of ways to snag those coveted cheap flights. With a bit of research and some strategic planning, you can save big on airfare. Flexibility is your best friend. Consider traveling during the shoulder season or off-season for lower prices and fewer crowds. Not only will you save money, but you'll also enjoy a more relaxed experience. Embrace the power of technology. Fare comparison websites and apps are your secret weapons. They allow you to compare prices across multiple airlines and find the best deals available. Set up fare alerts to get notified of price drops on your desired routes. This way, you can pounce on a great deal as soon as it becomes available. Flying into alternative airports can result in substantial savings. Sometimes a short drive or train ride from a smaller airport can save you hundreds of dollars. Finding affordable flights is a game of patience and persistence. Be flexible and you'll be soaring to your dream destination in no time. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination, so enjoy every moment of your travel adventure. Now that you've conquered the skies, let's find you a cozy and affordable place to rest your head. Hostels offer incredible value for money, with dorm rooms being the most affordable option. Many hostels also offer private rooms for those seeking more privacy. Consider Airbnb for a more independent experience, often at a fraction of the cost of hotels. For the ultimate budget-friendly accommodation, try house sitting through websites like Trusted House Sitters. Your accommodation should be a comfortable base for your adventures. Choose the option that best suits your needs and budget, and get ready to feel right at home in your new surroundings. Savoring local flavors. Eating well on a budget. Discovering new tastes doesn't have to break the bank. One of the greatest joys of travel is indulging in the local cuisine. It's an adventure for your taste buds and a window into the culture. Embrace the art of grocery shopping. It's not just about saving money, but also about experiencing the local way of life. Head to local markets or supermarkets for fresh produce and regional specialties. These places often offer the freshest ingredients at the best prices. Picnics in the park or by the beach are budget-friendly and offer a chance to soak up the local atmosphere. Pack a meal with your market finds and enjoy a scenic, affordable dining experience. Seek out local eateries and street food stalls for authentic and affordable meals. Street food is often where you'll find the most genuine flavors. Follow the locals. If you see a place bustling with activity, it's usually a good sign. Locals know where to find the best food at the best prices. By embracing local flavors and eating like a local, you'll save money and create lasting memories. It's a delicious way to connect with the culture and make your travel experience richer. Experiencing the world without emptying your wallet. Free and affordable activities. Lace up your walking shoes and embark on a self-guided walking tour. Many cities offer free walking tours led by locals, providing an insider's perspective. Museums often offer free admission days or discounted rates during certain hours. Nature lovers, rejoice. Hike through national parks, stroll along pristine beaches, or find a peaceful spot to soak up the beauty. The most enriching travel experiences are often the simplest ones. Embrace the freedom of exploration, connect with the local culture, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Adventure knows no budget. Embark on your journey. Traveling the world on a budget is not only possible, it's incredibly rewarding. By embracing flexibility, resourcefulness, and a sense of adventure, you can unlock a world of possibilities. Define what travel means to you and prioritize your spending accordingly. With a bit of planning and the right mindset, you can create unforgettable memories and experience the world in all its wonder. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your next adventure today. The world is calling and it's ready to be explored.